Hi everyone, I'm Kalema Hasifa again. I'm Kalema Hasifa and I'm a Ugandan. I'm a tour operator. So when business stopped, we're actually in our second lockdown and it has started today. So when business went low, I developed my passion of cooking, and recently I requested the admin to be doing local dishes from East Africa, and she said yes. I'm really very thankful for Joy. The other name is kind of hard for me. I'm very thankful for Joy for giving me this opportunity to showcase the local dishes in East Africa. So today we are going to cook our local meal, which is called Pillawo. And Pillawo is a mixture of sometimes meat, rice, and the ingredients that I'm going to show you. So these dishes that I'll be preparing here, I'll also prepare dishes for vegetarians, whereby if you're at home and you want to have a taste of East Africa, a taste of African food, you can go straight to your market and buy the ingredients and cook these local meals. For today we are having for today we are having what we call pilau, like I said, and these are the ingredients for pilau. The ingredients for pilau. These are the onions. This is the mixture. These are the spice. This is a spice, and those are the tomatoes, and this is garlic, garlic, and we have our rice, which is half a kilogram, and just these are just what I use in my kitchen for cooking, and we also use salt plus curry, which looks like this. Teriyo kasiimula gwe embwa gwe. Annyoko. So here we're going to add our water, and if it's 1 kilogram, you put four, four, 4 cups of water. If it's a half a kilogram, you put 2 cups of water. So ours is 4 kilogram. Ours is 1 kg, and we are going to put 4 of these of water. And we put our water, add our water. We'll add our water thoroughly. This is also the part of the 4 cups of water. So we're going to cover and wait for our rice to get ready. Then we'll come back and show you how it came out. So this is our rice. It is ready. Our pilau. You can decide to remove this. So this food is dry. When you're eating it, you have to make sure you have soup at the side. So you can make soup of your own choice. As we've made vegetable soup with tomatoes. So here we are going to put it on the plate, and we see our virtual outcome. You can as well cook this at your place. So when you're serving, you make sure you serve it. You make sure you serve and put a piece of meat on each plate. So you might end up you serve like this. So So every plate you serve and put a piece of meat. So I think our meat was was dined small, but yeah. Saako otuzikuli yangu nteekeko emmere yange. Later on. So this is what we use as here for serving, and so each plate that you serve, you make sure there's a piece of meat. This got a chance and it has gotten two. So you make sure, because the meat gets scattered. So for this case, the meat went down, and also here, I think he got two pieces. Let's give him one, because he will need to eat even at night. So far, this is how you serve your rice. This is how you serve your pillawo. So it's usually dry, and people hate taking dry rice in East Africa. So you will get to put some, this is vegetable soup, like you're seeing it. So you get to put some vegetable soup, and the person gets to enjoy. They get to enjoy their meal. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. And for now, it is a bye.